Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Jabeni for 15 bucks. That was just bought yesterday from Jonasa. I think it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 huge ones. Okay, that's my fist, and that's how big the Dalo is. A whopper. So it's about 8 huge ones. Okay. So I have two, one here, and there's another one here. This one is, I think, this 7. Okay. So this thing, when it's cooked, it's what's the word? Shiny, the other one. Okay. Alrighty. So those are the two 15 I bought yesterday from Mr. Jonasa. Hi, Jonasa. Okay, people. Is that okay? Alright, let me here. Here we go.